How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just listen to me because I will teach you all the things you need to do in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to your settings, and then from in there just scroll down until you find the apps right here. So click on apps, and then from in there just click on app management, and then just search for TikTok right here, or you can just scroll down until you can see it. So here's TikTok. So what you need to do is to just click on the storage usage, then click on clear data and clear cache in order to reset TikTok's progress. So the next thing you need to do is to head over to Play Store, search for TikTok, and then click on this and then update TikTok if there's any update available on your TikTok account. After that, just click on open right here, and that should be able to fix your issue on TikTok. So right now, let's head over to our TikTok account. So head over here. So here's TikTok. So if you click on this plus icon, so let's try to click on that plus icon. And then from in here, you can see that there's already a photo option on your TikTok. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix photo mode missing on TikTok 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.